The other thing that I wanted to go over, which is super exciting, is something that many of you probably hadn't heard of yet, and that is the Google Nano Banana. Now, if you've heard of it, drop it in the chat and just be like, yes. If not, put a no, because right now, if you have no idea what that is, that's perfect because almost nobody does. If you do, you're one step ahead, and that's going to be exciting. Oh, awesome. No, no, no. All these no's. Well, good thing it's only like a week old because Google just released it. You can access it only through Gemini right now. So anything else that you might, Google search it and find is a fake, a ripoff, not actually developed out by Google. But who would say that, like, in their advertising, in their day-to-day life, in their fashion career, it would be beneficial if you could say, like, hey, I have these three pictures. I want this picture of me, but I want it in this designer jacket and I want it to be in this place. And I just want you to seamlessly put all that together. Now, I know we have a lot of fashionistas on the AI mastermind because, of course, geeky people are the best dressed people, right? That's the thing. There is so many use cases. Now I'm gonna, spin it for a second to something that's more on the recruiting side. So if someone is coming to your new brokerage, if someone's coming to Fast Forward Movement, if someone is going to be making that announcement post, wouldn't it be great, like an NFL player or, European football, aka American soccer player, isn't it cool when you can see that player in that new jersey, in that new team logo, and that's how they're announcing it? Oh my God, Larry Bird? Nope, sorry, not gonna use that example. He's always gonna be a Celtic. But Michael Jordan, all of a sudden a Laker? Crazy, right? Seeing it in that uniform, different things like that. Well, now we can take our own images and do that exact same thing. Now, how is this useful and beneficial? Well, it's where we can take different aspects of this and translate it to different parts of our marketing, our business, and what we're trying to accomplish. So, from the standpoint of things like YouTube thumbnails, yes, you can make an entire thumbnail all at once easily, or you can take components of it and make that covers for Instagram Reels, for YouTube Shorts, for Facebook Reels, where, hey, we have something that's more engaging when people are scrolling through that feed. Newsletters, marketing brochures, all of these different aspects. What if you're marketing to a specific neighborhood and you take the crest or the emblem that is outside that community that they have on their sign and you put it onto something that you're wearing, and that is how you're communicating to people. So again, this is where we are advancing into some of the areas where we can market better. Think about what your sign looks like. Does anyone think that they have a trash looking sign? I know some of your signs, so I know some of them are trash and just complete garbage. But this is where, again, this type of thing can bring together and inspire a new sign design, a new way to present yourself that you can take the elements that you really like and you can make it where everything is pulled right in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through real quick and I'm going to start with the photos because photos are always fun and where the chat is, and we're going to click tools and we're going to specify create images. And it's super easy. I've gone in and set up a couple different, man, I got a lot of downloads. Photo examples. So I grabbed two things. I got a photo of myself. I got a photo of an EXP jacket. And you know what? Let's get a little interesting and creative. Let's yeah, let's use this. All right, so I have that wild picture, and now we just have to prompt it with what it is. Grant, it's really easy. It's just gemini.google.com/app. Um, what we do is we type into the prompt just like any other prompt. We please put the jacket on the man and give him a wild background from the image of Boston that displays power, enthusiasm. My spelling is terrible, guys, so it's okay. And makes people want to see more. And again, it's going to take just a couple minutes, if that, to create something right within it. And this is brand new. This is a week old. So this is where this is not something that like everybody and their brother has done. Now, if you look, is that perfect? No, but am I wearing the jacket? Yeah. Is it putting me in that background? Sure. Now, if I say, all right, I don't really love that. I don't love the background. I want something very interesting and Boston inspired. Please put the man with the jacket in a more interesting Boston scene. And again, it's where you're going to be able to play with it and do things of that nature. Now, please obviously don't upload photos of me and make me bald. Please don't make me uglier than I already am. That is not the use case for this. But okay, there we go. So is that the perfect image? I would say no, it's not perfect. I would say I'm a little skinnier, but that's okay. Does it look good? Does it look like me? Does it have good perspective? Is that a real place in Boston? Actually, yes, that's in East Boston. I know exactly where that is. Not sure that I would ever want to like hang out in East Boston or that part of town, but like, hey, you know what? It has a great background. So right now, this is cutting edge in terms of this is giving Photoshop quality within seconds. This is how you guys can set yourself apart, how you can make things easier, how you can make marketing work for you in ways that would cost you significantly. Now, will many people say, oh, well, I can do something similar in Canva? Sure, if you're really great at Canva, you can get a jacket, you can detach the person's head, you can put a background on, you can do all the different things and try and tweak it and make it look good. But this took us less than 30 seconds. And this was quick and easy. And it was something that, again, was able to be done on the fly with just reference images.